Let's talk about the advantages of outsourcing QA. The first advantage is focus. By outsourcing your QA, instead of having your QA led by developers, you are in essence focusing your developers in developing the highest quality level for your software, instead of diverting resources away from that target and putting in place of professional software testers, developers who might not know the best testing tools or the best testing methodologies. And therefore, if you outsource your QA, you are sorting out these issues because you are allowing your developer to focus on your software and the quality of your software, but you also bringing in people who can zoom in on the problems your software might be facing. The second advantage is no surprise. A great QA and software testing company will offer honesty and clarity to your business. They will come with a set process, will come with best methodologies and best tools. And as far as payment goes, they will be very clear and honest on how they build your business. That's why we at XBOsoft have a very clear 4 weeks to 12 weeks trial period with the customer where they can end the contract at any time and give us the time to prove them that we are very, very efficient and very great in terms of QA and software testing. And the reason why we don't really worry so much of having this trial period is because we know we are the best at QA and software testing. And therefore, you should also look for partners who have this kind of confidence. The third advantage of an outsourced QA is expertise. First of all, technical expertise. They will have the best tools, know the best methodologies, be able to assess your existing tools and provide recommendation and guidance on what tools are better and how can you maximize on the tools you are currently using. The other technical aspect of an outsourced QA is the certification they have and they bring in. And you should also be looking for partners who can display different types of certifications as far as QA and software testings are concerned. So some questions you could ask are, do you have professional certifications such as ISTQB, which is for advanced software testing, or even certifications such as Agile Scrum? Also, do they have ISO 27001 for data protection and client confidentiality, which is very important for your business since you are sharing sensitive data with an outside source. The second aspect of expertise is industry expertise. As we mentioned before, ideally you want software testing company that has dealt with many different industries and company sizes, different regulatory pressures and testing requirements. For example, fully automated versus hybrid automation. And the reason why this is an advantage is because for your own software and the quality of your software, you bring not only technical expertise but creativity. You bring people who have been facing different types of challenges and who are really resourceful in finding the best solutions for these challenges. People who can look at your software and the tools that you're using and instantly know whether you're using the best tools or the best methodology based on what they've faced before. So some questions you could ask to these QA and software testing companies are, how many industries have you serviced? What benefits can we draw from the different industries you serviced? The fourth advantage of an outside QA and software testing company is a fresh view. And your business needs fresh view sometimes because you might be losing focus on what kind of defects or bugs are more important to test than others. And that's when an outside point of view can be very useful in examining your software from an end user point of view. So your outside partner might find things that are not necessarily bugs, but might aggravate the end user experience. Therefore, some good questions you could ask them are, is our Q&QA process optimized? What is your onboarding process with new customers? What other and better way could we use to implement API, for example? Or what should we automate in priority? The fifth advantage is better management of your budget. Because you are hiring a QA partner that has all the tools and all the qualifications, you are better managing your budget, especially if you are a small company that needs a lot of QA skills, such as performance, automation, API testing, requirement story writing. If you cannot hire all this staff, why not use a third party that already has these people and all these tools. And therefore, a QA specialist will save you money and time just by being an expert in their field. The advantage number 6 is providing precious help during your QA peaks. You could have peaks and valleys in your testing needs and require many platform tested that change over time. This is an excellent justification for using an outside party that can handle your peaks, has specialized equipment, and constantly update their device library so you don't have to. And the last advantage is visibility. Many businesses do not know where to start in their QA process. Sometimes they even struggle in how to select a great QA partner. That's where a QA specialist can come in, have a conversation with you, analyze your software, and provide you with a clear roadmap of what are going to be tested and what's the timeline and budget against these tests. And this roadmap will include your goals and priorities, understanding of your software and current situations to accomplish your objectives. So we hope you guys enjoyed the content of this information, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to let us know.